In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your DNS in Mozilla Firefox. So DNS simply stands for Domain Name System, and you can simply do some changes on this straight from your Firefox browser. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to do this, go ahead and open your browser, and you can see I'm here on my Firefox browser. Then head over to these ellipses, tap on it to open, and go to Settings. Under Settings, you should see a side menu here. Go ahead and select Privacy and Security, and then scroll down until you get to this section, DNS over HTTPS. Here you're told enable DNS over HTTPS using any of these. Currently, it is set to default protection. By leaving it on default protection, Firefox will decide when to use Secure DNS to protect your privacy. However, you can change this to either increased protection, maximum protection, or you can even turn it off. I'll change to increased protection. You can see you will have control on when to use Secure DNS and choose your provider. So you can choose your provider from the list here, such as Cloudflare. It is set to default. If you wish to change, you can change to Next DNS, or you can customize it to a custom one. You can also choose max protection, and also here you're told Firefox will always use Secure DNS. You'll see a security risk warning before we use your DNS system. You can also go ahead and change your provider here. You can also decide to turn it off, and if you turn it off, then your browser will use your default DNS resolver. So that's how you can change your DNS on Firefox browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.